I always say to people, after you get solar installed, it's probably the only time in your life when you look forward to getting a bill. One of the things that we really pride ourselves in as a small local business is our goal isn't just to sell you. It's to provide you with what you really need for what the objective is. So one of the things we have always tried to do is keep customers informed.
We get more energy than we need from the sun. I'm not saying everything needs to be EV. We have perfectly fine gasoline cars. People can drive them. There's no issues with that.
Yeah.
Nuclear power is great. I'm not against it either. But the fact of the matter is, it's free. I mean, we live in Arizona. We got 300 days of sunshine. You know, it's a crime not to use the sunshine for generating power. You guys are very good at working to educate the customer. I think that was the fun part of it.
Yeah, because we had a lot of back and forth.
Right.
Site evaluations, additional appointments, emails, phone calls exchanged.
You guys talked me out of a lot of things.
Right.
We were simply looking, how can we maximize? And you're looking at optimization. Because I want to cover every square inch of my roof with solar panels. And he said, like, no, we can't do that. You know, here's the reason why. This is how the sun moves across the sky, depending on the season. We were trying to put batteries everywhere in the garage. And you guys were patient enough to walk us through that. Because in the end, you know, we're both working towards the same goal.
Same goal, yeah. I mean, it was a collaboration.
Sure. It also made us think creatively in terms of our usage. We started looking at what is the biggest consumer of power in the house, which is HVAC. You know, people complain in the summertime and they're paying $600, $700. Most of my cooling or heating comes from solar mini splits. And at night, if I need to heat or cool the house, I definitely pull from the batteries. And most of the months, I just pay the connection fee. That's about it.
That's fantastic.
Solar can be intimidating, but you guys were so good, everything was seamless.